What's up guys, Kai here, and here is the unboxing slash review of the Mobile Suit Gundam The Origin parts 1 through 4 Blu-ray box set from the guys over at Anime Limited. Bear with me, it's a new camera so things might bugger up, but let's get right into it. So here's the front of the box, here's the side, here's the top, bottom, and there's the parts here, and as usual in the back, sticker. But if we remove the sticker, we've got art piece, which I believe is just the same art as the cover for part 4, so nothing too fancy there. Right, so let's get into the individual parts. Box over there. And the cards. So here's what you get, part 1 and 2, don't worry, I'll explain. So go over part 1 first. So part 1, Blue-Eyed cast file. At the back, don't know if you can see that too well. I can't pull it to the screen too close like I used to. This camera can't do that. Kind of a downgrade, I know, but bear with me. So it says video 1080p, language Japanese and English, which is good. Subtitles English, runtime 60 minutes. Each part's roughly an hour. So if we look inside the case, see on one disc you get parts 1 and 2. You've got the Xeon symbol there in the background. And if you're, unlike the other ones, where you have the white border and then you can flip it and then you get the art piece in full, you get part 1 here, then I'll actually show you. If you remove the disc, there's part 2 there, so you can flip it around to whichever one you prefer. I kind of prefer the art on this one right now, so I'm not going to change this one. So that's what you get, parts 1 and 2 there. Parts 3 and 4 here. That's part 1 and 3. Then same again, video 1080p, language Japanese and English, subtitles English, runtime 60 minutes. Put up inside, so you've got the Xeon symbol again, parts 3 and parts 4. Then I'll reveal this. So yeah, same as the art on the back of the case. Not actually a big fan of that art piece. I kind of prefer this, to be honest. Kind of a shame we can't get the full art piece. As you know, I'm not a fan of the white border around these, so a little disappointed in that. No book this time. Instead you get art cards representing each movie. One missing here. There we go. So you get part 1 there, it actually says 1 in the back there. Part 2, part 3, yep, guess that right, and part 4 right there. To the whole focus here. That's what they look like. Overall, I'm pretty happy with these, to be honest. I really like the art, the whole watercolor design of them. I really like that. So put these back. So overall, the entire thing, it's going to be a quick video, this one. Overall, you get the box with the art cards. That's in there. And you get parts 1 and 2 and parts 3 and 4. Both in English and Japanese audio, which is a big plus to me, because I can't prefer English. When it comes to the Gundam franchise, I prefer English dub. So yeah, so that costs $34.99 I believe right now. As always, it's limited to 1,000 units, so go and get it while you can, because I remember they're selling the individual episodes of these for like, must have been like £70, £80, and that's a lot. Like, I was upset that I couldn't buy these in Blu-ray, but when they announced this box set for like half the price of just one episode, I was like, alright, that's a bargain, gonna get that. Yeah, overall, get this if you're a fan of the Origin series, like I am. Just put these back in here, maybe a wee bit noisy. They have, on the camera there. There we go. Okay, they have no idea about parts 5 and 6 yet, but I believe they are trying to get them once they become available, because we still don't know to the full extent of how long they're going to release this. We don't know if it's going to end with part 6 or if they're going to continue into the actual original series and basically retell that. I know they kind of want to over there, and I kind of want them to. I mean, the idea of the original series in sort of modern animation, you know, kind of gets me excited. So I hope they do that, and who knows, by the end of it we might have 10 parts in total to this series. But yeah, like I said, very quick video, not a lot to show off, but in terms of like bargain, like this is definitely a bargain. So I'd go out and grab it while you can. But yeah, so that's the video done. Hope this was informative and helping you if you're a little unsure about buying this. Please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And overall, just helps my confidence to make more videos. But yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.